Well, hey YouTube, how we doing today? Well, it's that time of the month. Well, I should say it's later on from down the month. We got a big box. We all know what that means. So stay tuned after we roll the intro, and I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about what came in this month's PMP Prep Box. Alright, all you viewers to be named later, thank you so much for staying past that intro. Now I gotta take one moment, get this out of the way. It's like saying batteries not included. If you are under the age of 13, please shut this video off now. I ain't in the mood to catch a COPPA violation because you're doing something you ain't supposed to do. Now, for all the rest of you, that's right, it's that time of the month. We're gonna show you this month's PMP Prep Box. Jason had a little problem getting them out on time this month. It's okay, dude. Seriously, brother, it's alright, Jason. What he did is he communicated with everyone that things were falling behind, real life was screwing him up, and until recently, he's been a one-man show. So Jason, bro, ain't no big deal for me. Seriously, it's not. The stuff's here. I'm good. On the plus side, I should see another PMP box in about, what, week and a half? I'm good, bro. Alright, now before we get too much further into this month's box, I'm going to take one moment and talk to you first-time viewers of the channel. I'm going to say thank you so much for finding this video. It means the world to me that you chose one of mine. Now, we do things really differently here on the channel, and I really hope you like what you're about to see. Now, for you first-time viewers and you long-time viewers, here's your first chance to subscribe. Look right down below. You're going to see a little channel watermark. Hover over that thing, click on it, do whatever. It's going to pull up subscribe. You're going to want to knock that out the way early. Here's why. We're growing, we have a lot of fun here on the channel, and I want you along for that ride. I want to be in your YouTube feed, I just don't want you going, what was that channel, what was this, and forgetting all about it. Alright guys, so as we always do, here is the packing list for this month's prep box. I know, there's only 2 items in it, okay? One of them has been a grail item for me, and it pretty much paid for the box itself. The other one is just a bonus item. If you're unfamiliar with the prep box, here, let me give you a little quick rundown on it. It's a monthly subscription service that you have to keep buying each month. Jason only has one level, and that's $100 flat. So you're going to get more than $100 worth of gear in there. It's just what he considers, you know, gear that you can use. He really doesn't put filler items in there like t-shirts or stickers or, you know, just morale patches like some other boxes have. You know, he gives you good quality gear. Now, as you saw by the opening, we've only got 2. One of them, the first one, is this really freaking huge box by Kershaw. I mean, seriously, it's huge. And I'm sure you can tell exactly what it is. That's right. It is the Camp 10 blade. Now, I've seen lots of videos out there on this one, and it was one that I thought about buying around tax time. But Jason, you just eliminated that for me, bro. I do like the way that they have the strap that secures everything on there. It basically pulls from the front and kind of wraps around the back. But there's your blade. It's got that long, just almost kookery look to it, but it has that neat little deep recurve that reminds me a lot of about some Ken Onion stuff. The grip, it's just seriously like really grippy plastic. And yeah, they got the little glass breaker down there. You know, a little head knocker. Or I should say the kid's attitude adjuster, but who knows, right? And, oh shit. It's sharp. That's smart. Grab a blade by the front, you frickin' moron. But yeah, it's pretty sharp. So we're going to do more in-depth testing on this thing when we do our full-on review on it, because I've got some ideas of what I want to do to this thing. Now, I'm not like other channels, you know, I just give you the quick rundown of some stuff. But this next one, yeah, this one touches me on a couple different levels. It really, truly does. It's by CRKT. Huge friggin' box, right? Well, it better be. It's part of the Forged by War series, and it's an Elmer Rausch design. And it's the Freyr axe. Alright, it's a beautiful just design piece. Now, I like the fact that they give you the little rubber thing here to cover it up, but what CRKT also offers is a full leather sheath for it. You got to purchase it separately. It doesn't come with it. This did not come in my PMP Prep box. I bought this separately. the Forged by War series is very, very important to me. CRKT basically teamed up with some vets that, you know, were into bladesmiths, and I've brought a lot of their stuff to the channel. Matter of fact, look up top. You're going to see a card for every single Forged by War blade that I've brought to my channel. What they do is they get them in, they work with their designs, and they kind of repurpose them a little, and they sell them. The vet who helped design it, like in this case, it's Elmer Roush, he gets to designate a charity where he wants 10% of the net proceeds of the sale of that one to go. Now I'm going to pull this up real quick because I'm kind of curious where a whole bunch of money just went. Okay. Seriously, Jason, it really... You helped a bunch of vets out, brother. So it says it's, you know, a hot forged 1055 carbon steel, Tennessee hickory handle. I love it. The blade length is 4.528. It's got a magnesium phosphate coating. And where is it? Oh, come on. It doesn't specify. That's really, really weird. It doesn't specify. And I'm only looking on my phone what charity he wants his proceeds to go to. But they get 10% right off the top. Let's see if I can find it a different way. I'm really curious. Come on, man. Yep, no, so I'm not seeing it here, so I'm going to have to do some digging. Okay, sorry to make you guys watch that little bit there. But when I do the full review on it, I will figure out what charity that Elmer wants his stuff going to, and I will make sure that is in there. Jason, I can't say it enough. You really, truly helped a bunch of vets out. I don't know how many people buy your box, but just knowing the fact that some money that I spent on it went to go help my brothers, I'm going with. That's one of the big reasons, and I hate to mention it like this. I was very, very happy with another subscription service when they did their Veteran Appreciation Box, but they canceled that. I don't know why, but their second one, they had a Forged by War blade in there, and that really meant something to me as well. But, as I always do in my videos, that's it for what you get in the prep box. Now, I also pick up the budget blade box. This month's box... I should say this month's blade is by Steel Will in their Urban series. The only thing that's inside that box other than the blade is Steel Will's usual little propaganda about, hey, great, you bought one of our blades, this is awesome, this is wonderful. And I've brought one of these, well, I should say, the bigger version of this to the channel before. Look up top. I'm going to leave a card for every single everyday carry blade I've ever brought to the channel. The Steel Will Modus is in there. This month's budget blade box is the Modus Mini. So that's kind of cool. It's got D2 steel, looks like a black wash blade. I love how they did it. Like, the other one I have has blue scales and an orange, you know, backspacer. I like the black on red look. I think it's kind of cool. Reversible pocket clip. Flipper open. Pretty cool. But I will have a full review on this one later, too. Like I said, this is not in your prep box. This is the budget blade box. So I know there's only 2 items to talk about. Great, useful items for your camp or being out in the wild. You got an axe to help, and you got a massive chopper that's going to help you take things down. I think, because, you know, I've seen some people complaining about it. You know, I'm like, you've almost doubled your money because the total MSRP, and granted this is going off of Kershaw and CRKT.com, alright, I get that you can go to Amazon, you can find it wherever, or you can go down to Billy Bob's Thrifty wherever, and you can find however, or, you know, you can go on eBay and bid on whatever. That's the MSRP. I don't know what he paid for it. I don't even want to know. I don't care. That's where if I go to their web store, that's what it's going to tell me it's going to cost. So you've pretty much doubled the value of your box. That's not a bad deal. It's seriously not. But here's the part that I have the most fun with. I want to know your questions, comments, love, hatred, anger, whatever, down below in the comments section. Seriously. I want to know what you think of this month's box, all right? I am very, very happy. It's a grail item that I didn't have to buy and I got, so I'm sold. It's by, the Forged by War stuff, like I've said repeatedly, I'm good. I'm seriously really, really good. Just, if I'd have gotten just this, I'd have been okay with it. But that's just me. I want to know what you guys think, okay? Seriously, leave me your comments. Just try to be somewhat respectful on it, okay? Just don't leave comments like, this sucks. Tell me what you think. Not, sucks. Try to use words. Alright, getting off on a tangent. So, I'm going to do the wrap up here. For you first time viewers of the channel, I told you, this one's really, really different than anyone we've ever done before, okay? There's only 2 items, and I know. What can you say about something that cuts and something that chops? It cuts and it chops. But still. Once again, I want to thank you for watching this video. Now, for you first timers who didn't do it at the beginning of the video, and you long-time viewers who have yet to subscribe as well, here's your second chance. Look right down there. You're going to see a big channel symbol popping up. Go ahead, click on that thing. It's going to bring you right to subscribe. After you've gone ahead and destroyed that, please go ahead and destroy the notification icon that's right next to it. Why? Great question. Because it's going to notify you, my amazing viewer, every single time this channel uploads a brand new video. Now, speaking of videos, 2 are going to be popping up right over here. Those are going to be videos that YouTube is going to select from my catalog that they think are going to be a great viewing experience for you. But there we go, guys. The prep box for November 2019 in the books. Thanks for watching, and I hope all of you have a great one today.